Welcome back to our channel released on Netflix. Let's start the video now. A few lies in a rom-com are not unheard of. Favorites like 10 Things I Hate About You, While You Were Sleeping, Never Been Kissed, and You Have Got Mail all function a fib or two. However, all of them we see our couples deliver into the electricity of love. In Good on Paper, now streaming on Netflix, however, the lies are probably a bit too large for our vital couple to even get after it. Iliza Scherzinger has ended up something of a mainstay for Netflix with a handful of stand-up specials like War Paint, Confirmed Kills and Unveiled, and she is verified to be a pressure time and time again. Now she spent her function period flick primarily based totally on a mendacity ex-boyfriend from her past. Scherzinger is entirely fascinating as this dramatized model of herself, sporting Good on Paper with ease even if the movie is struggling, clocking it at clean 92 minutes. Good on Paper files with the aid of sweeping us off our toes with romance and knocking us out of the delusion all as quickly. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. What I like maximum approximately about the flick is that Dennis is not a few dreamboats. He is the person who has tricked us into falling for, and the unpretentious best man makes you sense secure and special. And Andrea is not charmed with the aid of using from the get-go, and it takes time for her to be present and open herself to a relationship. And while she subsequently does, it's too overdue to head back. She's offered into the lie even though he is carrying a matching product of purple flags. Thus, Good on Paper is pulled from Scherzinger's actual lifestyles and makes it all a greater interesting. I located myself a piece greater engaged than I could have been in all of this fiction. The stakes are high and away to the power of our main lady's performance, and Chose is a laugh on this. It's clean to fall into the step with a tale and institution of people. There are pretty some balls with inside the air on this anti-rom-com, from such things as girl friendship and the manner girls pick themselves in opposition to every difference what we accept, and the painful electricity of lies. Good on Paper does not land each blow it attempts to make, however it's far unique nonetheless. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.